Come to lie on your mat. Pick up your shins and gently squeeze your legs in towards your body. Take your hands to your feet, either wrapping over the toes, holding the inside or the outside edges of the feet. If that doesn't feel right today, you could hold onto the backs of the thighs instead. Allow the shoulders to soften into the mat and the back of the head heavy. Flex the feet slightly so the soles of the feet face up towards the ceiling. And begin to draw the knees down towards the armpits. Rocking over to one side and then over to the other. Going as far over to one side and as far over to the other. Doesn't matter if you topple over, you just come to the center and start again. Notice the contact through the lower back, the back of the pelvis and the shoulders. See if you can gently ground down through your sit bones, feeling the back body connecting to the mat. Enjoy that sensation of massaging into the back body, into the muscles that surround your spine, the backs of the lungs, the space around the kidneys. Let the movement feel playful and unstructured. Allow the breath to move naturally here. Perhaps you're noticing the back body expanding gently into the mat on the inhale and softening on the exhale, keeping your shoulders relaxed, the jaw soft, and the face easy. Take a few more rocks from side to side and then gradually begin to slow the movement down. Coming back through center, release your legs and stretch them down the mat. And just take a moment here, tuning in to how that feels for your body.